Whoa.
See, it just comes out of it.
Whoa, that one's cool though.
Okay, stop it. It's gonna be
Because
on
it's
the
like
McCoy plate.
pressurized, you know? Yeah, it is spinning down.
You should invent something like this. These are like, we should make these except with smoke, and then we'll have like smoke bombs.
It's all over. It's gonna get on the stove.
Okay, I don't want to be fried. Ah.